Hello once again, dear viewers, to another episode of the Sain Pyniar Quiz 2019, brought to you by Doordarshan Kendra Shillong in collaboration with the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Hello viewers and welcome once again to the Sain Pyniar Quiz 2019, brought to you by Doordarshan Kendra Shillong in collaboration with the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. In the last episode, we saw the team from Balika Hindi Vidyalaya moving on to the semi-finals. Today again, we're excited to have with us three new teams who are going to take a shot, and let's see which of these three teams is also going to get a chance to go to the semi-finals. So let's introduce our first team, Team A.
My name is Sanchita Das. I am from Class 12 Arts from Lady King Girls High Secondary School.
My name is Afreen Laskar. I am from Class 12 Arts, Lady King Girls High Secondary School.
Lady King's Girls High Secondary School, all the very best to you. Moving on now, Team B.
Hello, my name is Vanshwat Hasan and I am studying in Class 9 of 7th School.
Hello, my name is Rajdeep Mishra. I am studying in Sain Edmund School in Class 9.
Team B, Sain Edmund School, all the best to you as well. Last but not the least, Team C.
My name is Faustina Beckman-Awalang. I read in Class 9 and I am from St. John's High Secondary School, Laban.
My name is Sinovia Nazaraza Lingdo Maulong. I study in Class 9 and the name of my school is St. John High Secondary School, Laban.
Team C, St. John's High Secondary School, Laban, all the best to you, and I wish all the best to all the three teams. So let's begin now with our first round in today's quiz, which is going to be a round on HIV/AIDS awareness. So let me explain to you the rules. Each team will be asked 2 questions. Questions will pass during this round. 10 points for correctly answering a direct question and 5 points for correctly answering a past question. 10 seconds to answer a direct and 5 seconds to answer a past question. There will be no negative marking in this round. Okay? Are the rules clear? Okay, let's begin. Our first question for Team A, Lady Keen. Listen carefully. 10 seconds. What is the significance of the red ribbon? When you see the HIV/AIDS, they have a red ribbon. So what is its significance?
It stands for the people with HIV positive.
That's not the answer I'm looking for, so it passes on to Team B.
Yes.
Not going to give it a try. Team C. No points there to any of the teams. I think I already gave you the answer when I asked my question. So this red ribbon, it is a symbol of awareness for HIV/AIDS, okay? And it is also a symbol of continuing education to those who are not infected of the HIV/AIDS disease. So no points there, Team A. Moving on now, this is a direct question for Team B. What is the ABC method to prevent HIV/AIDS? The ABC method. This has to do something about sex education in school. ABC. No points there. Team C.
Pass.
Alright, Team A. ABC. So no points there. ABC, it's actually an acronym. Alright, ABC. A for abstain from casual sex, B for be faithful to your partner, and C is use condoms during intercourse. Okay, that is the ABC method for to prevent HIV/AIDS. It's about awareness. Alright, so no points there, Team B. Moving on now, this is a direct question for Team C. Listen carefully. Are there any chances of contracting blood communicable diseases by donating blood? If yes, why? If no, why? Are there any chances of contracting blood communicable diseases by donating blood? If yes, why? If no, why? Time's up. Moves on now to Team A, Lady Keen.
No, because while donating the blood, they check whether we have any disease or not.
let's hear from Team B first. So I think I'll give it 20 points to Team A, Lady Keen. Yes, that's the correct answer. Before you donate blood, they'll have to check first your history of your blood, and also because all the equipments are sterile, used only once and discarded. So there's no chances of contracting blood communicable diseases. Okay, so sorry, not 20 points, but 5 points to Team A, Lady Keen. Moving on, now this is again a direct question for Team A, Lady Keen. Listen carefully. Full form of NaCO. Give me the full form of NaCO. Remember, this is an HIV/AIDS awareness round, so you should base it on that. Time's up. Moves on now to Team B. Remember, there are no negative points here. Moves on to Team C. At least you should have all guessed. The right answer is the National AIDS Control Organization. NaCO, National AIDS Control Organization. So moving on, now this is a direct question for Team B, Sain Edmunds. Listen carefully. Give me the full form of MACS.
Meghalaya AIDS Society. Meghalaya AIDS Society. Oh, MAC.
MACS.
Meghalaya.
AIDS Control Society.
Time's up. Moves on now to Team C. How could you all miss this? Team A.
Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Yes, it's the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. I had just said the name of this organization in the beginning of the quiz. It's the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. So 5 points. Team Lady Keen. Moving on, now this is a direct question for Team C, St. John's High Secondary School, Laban. How long will it take for the body to replenish the blood after donation? Two what?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. That's not the correct answer. Moves on now to Team A, Lady Keen. Moves on now to Team B, Sain Edmunds.
2 days. 2 days.
2 days. Yes, I'll give it to you. So 5 points to Team Sain Edmunds. The right answer is 24 to 48 hours, which is 1 to 2 days. Yes, that is the correct answer. So with that, we've come to the end of round 1, which is a round on HIV/AIDS awareness. Let's move on now to round 2. Very interesting round, that is the audio-visual round. So before we begin, let me explain to you the rules. Each team will be asked one audio-visual question. Questions will pass during this round. 10 seconds to answer a direct question, 5 seconds to answer a past question. 20 points for correctly answering a direct and 10 points for correctly answering a past. Be careful, there will be -5 points here for an incorrect answer, whether it's direct or a past. Are the rules clear? Okay, let's begin. The first question is for Team A, Lady Keen. It's a picture. So have a look at it and then I'll ask you your question. On August 12, 2019, Google released this doodle to remember the 100th birthday anniversary of this person. The doodle was illustrated by Mumbai-based guest artist Pavan Rajukar. Name the person in this doodle. Ten seconds, Team A, Lady Keen. Time's up, moves on now to Team B.
Vikram Sarabhai.
Vikram Sarabhai, father of India's space program.
Yeah, founder of history.
10 points to Team B, Sain Edmunds. That's the correct answer. Moving on, now this is a direct question for Team B, Sain Edmunds. It's an audio. Before you listen to the audio, let me tell you the summary of this question. This took place during the India Conclave East 2018. Okay, India Conclave 2018. One of the people singing is Rajdeep Sardesai. Name the other. Okay.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking her words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be. And though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be, let it be.
Okay, that's it. So, you have an answer?
Pass.
Team C?
Pass.
Team A? Such an easy question. How could you have missed it, Saint Edmunds? Didn't you listen carefully? Who's the person? It's none other than our Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangma. That was him singing, okay? So no points there, Team B, unfortunately. The answer is Mr. Conrad Sangma. Moving on, now this is a direct question for Team C, St. John's High Secondary School, Laban. Interesting question, it's a picture. Have a look at the picture and then I'll ask you your question. This was recently in news, okay? It's current affairs. A group of students from Cologne in France, they drew attention to something as part of a class project by standing on a block of ice under a makeshift gallows. What is the reason? Why are they doing this? Why are they standing on a block of ice under a makeshift gallows? Team C, St. John's High Secondary School. This was in the news recently. Team A? Team B?
Pass.
Okay, so none of the teams gave me an answer. You could have just worked it out from the clue given in the picture.
Can I guess?
Okay, you can get for no points.
Global warming.
Of course, it's about global warming. It's about climate change. You could have easily scored points over here because this is to show that once the ice melts, then the people will hang themselves. So it's about climate change. So no points there, Team C. All the three teams. I have with me here the score tally as it is right now after 2 rounds. Lady Keen is with 10 points. Team B, St. Edmunds, is with 15 points. And Team C, St. John's High Secondary School, Laban, is yet to open their account. But again, like I always say, don't be disheartened. 2 more rounds to go. Anything can happen till the end. Okay? So all the best. So let's move on now to our third round, which is a round of entertainment. And it's a round on dumb charades. Okay, dumb charades. So let me explain to you the rules. Each team will be given one word or phrase to enact during this round. One team member will have to enact the word or phrase and the other teammate must correctly guess the word or phrase in question. The teammate enacting the word or phrase must use only their body language. They are not allowed in any circumstance to use their voices or their lip movements. 60 seconds to each team to answer a question. 30 points for a correct answer. No negative markings and questions will not pass during this round. So you can keep on guessing until you give me the right answer. There will be no negative points here. Are the rules clear? Okay then. So let's begin with our dumb charades round. Let me call someone from Team A. Lady Keen, please come forward. Pick up a chit and let's see what your movie is. Just nod your head, alright? Nod your head if you understand what is written here. You understand? Okay. So you have 60 seconds. Team A, Lady Keen, your time starts now.
Singham.
Singham, yes, 20 points. So that's the correct answer, Lady Keen. Fantastic, Team A. So now I invite someone from Team B, St. Edmunds. Just pick up a chit and show it to me. No, come here. I want you to nod your head, okay? Don't tell the name of the movie or anything. Just nod your head. Nod your head. It's this, okay? Just nod. Okay. So you have 60 seconds, both of you. Are you ready? Your time starts now.
Godzilla.
Please don't open your lips. Don't use your lips.
one, Rambo.
Okay, time's up. The name of the movie that your partner picked up from the basket is Bagban. Bagban, okay? So that's the name of the movie. Alright, so team C, St. John's Laban, someone please come forward. Just pick up a chit, show it to me. Nod your head, okay? Just nod your head if you understand the name of this movie. Nod your head. Okay. So you have 60 seconds. Are you ready? Your time starts now.
Aladdin.
Keep on guessing, you still have time.
Puss in the Boots.
Time's up, team C. The name of the movie is Ek Tha Tiger. Ek Tha Tiger. Okay? So unfortunately your partner couldn't convey the message across. So no points there, team C. Alright, so we're done with all the 3 rounds. So now let's move on to our 4th and final round. A round that's quite exciting, and that is the rapid fire round. Okay? So before we begin, let me explain to you the rules. Each team will be asked a series of questions. Each team will be given 50 seconds, not 40, 50 seconds to answer all the questions. 10 points for a correct answer, minus 5 points for an incorrect answer. If a team does not know an answer, say pass, and I'll move on to the next question and shall come back to the previous question if there's sufficient amount of time left. So are the rules clear? Team A, let's start with you. Okay? The rapid fire round. 50 seconds. Are you ready? Your time starts now. French Guiana is located in the continent of South America. True or false? Which is the coldest planet of our solar system?
Pluto.
That is incorrect, minus points. Tripitakas are the religious books of which religion? Tripitakas.
Pass.
Which earth mineral is used in the manufacturing of pencils?
Lead.
That is correct. Hitler's political party, which came into power in 1933 in Germany, is known as what? Amnesty International is an international organization which works to protect what?
Pass.
Time's up. Let me give you the answers. French Guiana is located in the continent of South America. True or false? It's true. Which is the coldest planet of our solar system? Pluto is still a planet? It's Neptune. It's the 8th planet, so it's Neptune by logic. So next question. Tripitakas are the religious books of which religion? Buddhism. Okay? Tripitakas. Which mineral is used in the manufacturing of pencils? Yes, it's lead or graphite. Either of those two. You've given me the answer. If you've answered any of those two, I would have given you 10 points nonetheless. Hitler's political party, which came into power in 1933 in Germany, is known as? Very easy question. The Nazis. The Nazi party, okay? And Amnesty International is an international organization which works to protect what? Is human rights. Very easy question. So we're done with Team A. Moving on now, series of questions for Team B, St. Edmunds. Are you ready? 50 seconds. Okay, 50 seconds. Your time starts now. Zend-Avesta is the holy book of which religion?
Pass.
Zoroastrianism.
That is correct. Who gave Indira Gandhi her maiden middle name of Priyadarshini?
Pass.
Kanyakumari, India's southernmost point, is north of the Tropic of Cancer. True or false?
Pass.
Members of the Rajya Sabha hold office for a term of how many years?
Pass.
Name the gas which is usually filled in electric bulbs.
Argon.
That is incorrect. The Great Victoria Desert is located in which continent?
Australia.
Australia.
That is correct. Who gave Indira Gandhi her maiden middle name of Priyadarshini?
Pass.
Kanyakumari, India's southernmost point, is north of the Tropic of Cancer. True or false?
True.
That is incorrect. So let me give you the answers to the questions. Zen Avesta is the holy book of which religion? Yes, it's Zoroastrianism. For the Parsis, that is. Yes, correct. Who gave Indira Gandhi her maiden middle name of Priyadarshini? It's Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Kanyakumari, India's southernmost point, is north of the Tropic of Cancer. It's false. It's south of the Tropic of Cancer. Members of Rajya Sabha hold office for a term of how many years? 6 years. Name the gas which is usually filled in electric bulbs. It's not argon. I said usually filled. It's nitrogen. Okay. And the Great Victoria Desert is located in which continent? Yes, it's Australia. So we're done now with Team B, St. Edmunds. The last series of questions now for Team C, St. John's Higher Secondary School, Laban. Are you ready? 50 seconds. Your time starts now. Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Pass. Pass.
What is the chemical name of baking soda?
Pass.
What is the minimum age to qualify for election to the Lok Sabha?
18.
That is incorrect. R.K. Lakshman is a renowned cartoonist. True or false?
Pass.
Who composed the famous song Sare Jahan Se Acha?
Pass.
The capital of New Zealand.
Pass.
Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Pass.
What is the chemical name of baking soda? Time's up. So let me give you the answers. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Very, very easy question. It's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Again, I think this you've studied in your school textbooks. It's sodium bicarbonate. What is the minimum age to qualify for elections to the Lok Sabha? It's 25 years, not 18. 18 is the voting age. R.K. Lakshman is renowned cartoonist. It's true. Who composed the famous song Sare Jahan Se Acha? Muhammad Iqbal. And capital of New Zealand is Wellington. Alright, so we're done with all the 4 rounds. And I have with me here the final score tally, and it's clear from here which team is going to move forward to the semi-finals. So let's begin. In 3rd place in today's quiz is Team C, St. John's Higher Secondary School, unfortunately with -5 points. In 2nd place, we have the team from St. Edmunds School with 25 points. And the winners of today's quiz, moving on to the semi-finals, is the team from Lady Keene with 45 points. So with that, dear viewers, we've come to the end of yet another knockout episode in the Sain Pyniar quiz. We've clearly had a team now from here who's going to move on to the semi-finals. So until we meet again next time, this is your quiz master signing off. Thank you.